Okay, now I'll make a demo for you for how to use a rotary device. Okay, now we will find the stainless steel tube. Okay, we install the clamp. We fixed it. Okay. Then we will adjust the laser focus. Different diameter of the tube. We need to adjust the laser focus up and down because the heat changed. Now we open the software, laser marking software, and we put a text. For example, we input Suntop laser here. Okay, we hatch it and center it. Then we make a direction. We make a direction like this because we put the rotary like this. If we put the rotary like this direction, and here will be X level, not Y level. Yes. Okay. Here, from here, with rotary, we choose laser and then choose the rotate text mark here. Yes. And then mine parameter. Enable. It's a Y axis. Choose the Y. Yes. Rotary axis. And now we will fill the part diameter. Okay. We use the mirror. It's about 32.23. Okay. We put this diameter, this tube, the diameter here in software. Okay. Okay. And then confirm it. Then we use a red light to review this. To preview the actual marking position. Okay. From here you can see it's rotated marking, rotated engraving. Okay, then we take out the tube from the clamp. You can see it's Suntop laser. Yes, it's rotated. It's rotated engraving. It's a demo for you. You can do any content you want. I just demo for you how to use the rotary device of our Suntop laser marking machine. When you change different diameter, you just do like this way. Okay? Thank you.